Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained about the operators in detail, step by step. So now in this video, I am going to explain what is precedence. So precedence is nothing but which operation has higher priority, major priority. So parentheses will be having highest priority, then star, which is multiplication, and division, double slash, module, plus and minus will be having same priority. Okay, bitwise operators and least priorities are logical operator. What are logical operators? Logical operators are nothing but and or not, truth table. Okay, bitwise operator is nothing but and or, or, negation, left shift, right shift. These are the bitwise operators. Example, um, you will be having a question like 5 plus 4 minus 7 plus 3 means, so plus minus plus plus and minus will be having same precision. So when we have plus minus, but plus and minus will be having same priority, then we have to follow from left to right. We have to follow from left to right. So from left, 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. 9 minus 7 plus 3. Okay, left to right. We have to not see priorities because plus and minus will be having same priority. So 9 minus 7 plus 3. So what is 9 minus 7? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 1. 1 is the answer for this. Similarly, this is the task for you. You have to solve this. What is 100 plus 5 into 3 and parenthesis. See, parenthesis 6 plus 3 minus parenthesis 6 plus 3. What will be, what you will get result? Without trying practically, try with manually. Pause the video and try it out. I think you tried out. So let's see what will be the output. 100 plus 5 into 3. What will be having the higher priority, plus or star? See, order. Star will be having higher priority. So first we have to solve the star. So 100 should be same like that only. So we have to solve first star. Means 5 star 3. What is the 5 star 3? 15. So 100 plus 15 is 115. So 115 is the answer for this expression. Similarly, parenthesis 6 plus 3 minus parenthesis 6 plus 3 means what will be the higher priority, parenthesis or plus or minus? See the order. Parenthesis will be having the higher priority. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. What are the thing there in the parenthesis? We have to solve that thing first. So what is there in the parenthesis? 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? 9. So 9 minus, what again we have another parenthesis. What is the 6 plus 3? 9. So now we have only minus. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 is the answer. Next topic is data types. Data type means it is a type of a value. Suppose we take numbers like 100, 20, minus 10, 0. These are all numbers, integers. Means the data type of this integer is the int. Similarly, we have some data types which is inbuilt by default in Python. So first we'll say text type. Text type means which will be a string format, which will be there in the double quotes. Okay, which will be having some words or text message or text format, that is known as string. str is the data type for the text. Next, numerical types. Just now I said which having numbers like 10, 12. So these all are nothing but int. The data type of the integer is int. Similarly, we can have the decimal format also, like float format also. So when we have the number in the decimal format like 12 plus 3, 10 plus 20, in that format, then we'll say that is float. Okay. Similarly, we have complex numbers also. Complex numbers are nothing but I plus 2j, I plus 3i. So in that format. So we have complex, also one data type. So next is sequence type. Sequence type is nothing but list, tuple, range. List is nothing but when we have to square thing in the list format, when we store the elements, in the list format, square brackets. Tuple means we'll be having some normal brackets. Okay. List, tuple, there will be a difference between the brackets. List will be having the square brackets, tuples will be having the normal brackets. And range is also range 5. So these are sequence types, these are also data types. Next, mapping types. Mapping types is nothing but the dictionary, which will be mapping like key value pairs. Key value. Example, roll number 23. This roll number acts as a key and 23 acts as a value. It will be in the form of a key value pair. This type of key value pairs are nothing but a dictionary. So we have this also, a dic is a data type. In the set also, set will be in the form of a curly brackets. Okay. In the curly brackets, we can keep integers or strings or float numbers, anything. So the data type of this set type is set, or we have frozen set also. Next is Boolean type. What is Boolean type? True or false, 0 or 1. Bool is a data type. Binary types, we have bytes, okay, or byte array, or memory view. So, and one more is none type, when we have none. Okay, these are the data types. Variables do not need to declare with any data types like other languages like Java. So in Python, just variable name and value, no need to declare their data type. But um, we can know what data type was used by using type. By using type, we can know what data type was used. So what is the syntax for this? Print type variable name. Okay, let's try practically. Let's see. Let's take num. Num is equals to 100. So we know this is an integer, but when we want to know what type of data type they used, we can use like this: print type of num. What it shows? See here, class int. So it is a int type. Okay, it is showing int. Similarly, we can try even the string. Let's try string also. Okay, so we know this is a string. See, str. Okay, even we can use list also, which I said we have to keep in the square brackets. So what will be the output? See, list. It is a list format. So if we use normal brackets, it's nothing but tuple. See, tuple. Okay. Even we can use set also. For set, we have to use curly braces. See, here we got set. Similarly, we have dictionary. Dictionary should have key value pair. Okay. Let's see what would be the data type. Dick. So in this way we can try many data types. Okay, to know what data type was used here, we can by using type of variable name, we can get to know that what data type was used. Okay, next topic is type conversion. So what is type conversion? Convert one data type to other data type. Example, if we have a data type which is in the format of integer, int format, we can convert that int format to float, or we can convert that int to some list format. So we have some type conversions. Let's see, we have two types of type conversions, which is implicit, explicit. What is implicit, what is explicit? Let's see, a is equals to 10. So if you want a equal to 10, we know that is integer. If you want the 10 in a float value, in the decimal value, we can say print simply float of a, means a equal to 10. 10 is an integer, we know, but we want the 10 in the form of a float value, just say float of a. Okay, if you want in the string format, just say str of a. Okay, then it prints 10 dot 0. Dot 0 means it is in the decimal form. So, and similarly explicit also, b is equals to 11.69. So this is the float value, but we want this in the integer format. How to use? Just int of b, means we'll get 11. So what is the difference between this both? So when we are converting this type, it is increasing 0.0. Yes or no? So not that much data is not going wastage. So no data loss. So some amount of data only increased. So not that much wastage. So no data loss. But when compared to explicit, so 0.69 is decreasing, means 0.69 amount of data is wasting. So huge amount of data is wasting, so data loss. So when some amount of data is wasted or no data is wasted, we'll say implicit. Huge amount of data is wasted, then we can say explicit. This is the difference between implicit and explicit. Let's see practically. We'll take this example only. We have in names dictionary, key value base, but we want this in the list format. So what will be there? What will get output? Just we have to say here list, because we want in the list format with square brackets. See, Sai, Siri, Rupa means we are getting only the key values, not the, so we are getting only key, not the values.